Hello, everyone. This is Rakhi Rupani, Communications Coordinator for BNI here in the UAE. And today I'm joined in on the call with Ankita Rao. She's been a member of BNI Insomniacs for slightly over a year and a recent addition to our Directors and Ambassadors team, serving as an ambassador to the Gazelles chapter of BNI. So let's hear it from her about her journey, how it all got started. Hi, Ankita. Welcome on board. Thank you for
Hi,
taking the
Aki.
time.
Hi, Aki. Thank you so much for having me.
Ankita, it's really a pleasure to have you with us today. So, before we get into anything, let me quickly ask you a little bit about yourself and about your company.
Yeah, so I'm a Dubai kid, and so the company that I represent is Freeline Engineering. It is a family-owned business. It's my family business. So my brother and I are second generation in the company. So we've been co-managing this company for the last almost 8 years independently. My parents are in their own line of work. So what we do as a company is we are architecture and engineering consultants. So I'm personally an architect. And to put it in simple words, if you have an empty plot of land and you want to build a villa, you need architects and engineers to first design that villa for you. So starting with your space planning to how your structure will stand, to how your water systems will function, to how your electricity will function, to how your AC will function. So these are all designed by engineering specialists, and they all have to be designed in tandem and coordinated. So this is what we do in our office. And once all that is done, you have to take government approvals for all of this, which we do as well. And once this is on site, when it is being built by contractors, we come in the capacity of project managers. So what we do at that point is we just ensure that the drawings are, we're just policing, basically we're just ensuring that safety is maintained, and materials are not substandard, and cost and time and budgets are kept in check, and the drawings mainly are adhered to. So this is in a nutshell what we do in at Freeline Engineering.
So, another interesting question for the viewers out here, they'll like to listen to this. I believe you are not a very old member. You've been with BNI slightly close to 2 years, I believe. So,
Yeah,
explain
yeah,
to us
yeah.
about your BNI journey, your chapter that you are a part of, and how you proceeded with being a part of our Directors and Ambassadors team, which we call DNA.
So the fun story here is that I had applied to BNI in 2009, and you may not know this, but you were the president of Falcons at that point, and I was invited by you to come and visit Falcons, and I never woke up. But anyway, they say everything has a time and place. So after all these years, finally, we decided, between my brother and me, we decided one of us should join BNI because we had friends and things like that. So we visited the Insomniacs Visitors Day in 2019, January, and we were completely blown away by, the energy, by, just the way the meeting was conducted, and in overall the package of it. And so that's when immediately I signed up, like immediately in that meeting itself I signed up. And so post that, it's been an interesting journey, because I like to consider myself as being a well frog before BNI happened to me. So I only knew my world and my friends and my business and my colleagues. But BNI opened a whole new world for me in terms of everything, in terms of personal, in terms of the way the world is doing business, in terms of the way the world is conducting themselves on a personal level within a business forum, and in terms of how much the world is growing, the direction in which all these individuals are looking at growing, the different dimensions. Because when you're a well frog, when you're in your own world, in your own comfort zone, there's only so much that you can possibly consciously know, right? Like, this is your world. But I think for me that was very, very interesting. And because that piqued my interest so much, I feel I also surprised myself at how quickly I adapted to this whole system. Because for me it was a playground. I was like, wow, so many people, so much to teach me, so much for me to grow. And I think along the way, of course, I made my own mistakes in terms of, you learn how to pitch. You just assume that everybody knows what you're doing. I think this is the common mistake that most of us make. You feel because you're so closely associated associated with a profession, you feel everyone knows. It's so easy. What is there not to know? So, but that's not the case, right? You have to break down the way you're speaking into very rudimentary parts. And I think this is what I learned being a part of BNI. And I think that has helped me not just within BNI, but even now with new clients, when we pitch our services, when we speak, it has given me a very good knowledge on how to pitch my services in the most rudimentary manner so that people can grasp it.
That's
And for me, for your second part of your question, to be able to join the DNA team, that was a very big honor. I just felt, to just put it simply, there's so much that I learned and grew personally, professionally, on so many levels, knowledge wise, on so many levels. The intangibles, I just felt there was something I needed to do to be able to give back. One, and two, also to kind of move up, because I think for anything, you have to start scaling, whether it's your business, whether it's, you have to keep moving. So it's an experience I wanted to take on, and see what it's like to be an ambassador, and hopefully what it's like to be a DC. I would want to take that as the next step, just to experience that role, the growth, and to be also able to extend myself out to see how I can be of service to the chapters that I'm serving.
I think you've answered both my questions in a nutshell, how it is to be an ambassador, because I believe being an architect, I've not seen very many architects being BNI members,
Yeah.
experiencing the whole sort of benefit of being a BNI member. But you've
Yeah.
been to the next level, from being the top performer in the chapter to taking up various roles and now becoming an
Yeah.
ambassador. It's been just
Yeah.
a couple of months that you've been an ambassador, is it?
Yeah, it's just been a couple of months, but prior to that, I think I got the opportunity to take up, very like prominent roles. Like I was a vice president for one term, and prior to that, I was in the MC for one. I was a community builder chair, and as soon as I joined, within like a few weeks, the team was switching. So yeah, the term was changing. So the new team included me as a part of their VHT. That was great, because that gave me so much visibility, and especially a chapter like Insomniacs, which was so big. It just helped me quickly learn and be friendly and get to know and synergize with the members a lot quicker.
That's
So it
interesting.
helped me settle in a lot quicker. So that's something I tell all the new members now, please join the VHT, because it's just fantastic way to break the ice into the chapter.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
Before I leave you right now, just let us know what advice or what tips would you like to give to any members considering to take up any roles, be it in a chapter or be it also considering to take up any maybe ambassador role or future, like you mentioned very rightly, director consultant roles. What tips or advice would you like to give them?
I would just say, when you have the opportunity, just take it. I mean, it is a bit of a stretch sometimes, where you have to. These are all voluntary roles, right? But the only way can only be upwards. Either you'll remain the same way, like in terms of your knowledge growth, or you will just grow upwards. There is no regressing back. So it's always a win-win situation. So I feel anyone and everyone who can possibly take roles, you should take up all the roles. Take up an experience. They're there for a reason. So just experience what that feels like, what sort of growth patterns come with it, what sort of an awareness comes with it, and how it changes you. It can only be a positive upward growth.
That's amazing, Ankita. I love the words that you've used: positivity and experience, and the growth upward. This is the mindset
Yeah.
I think all the members, all the viewers should actually experience, not just for BNI as members, but
Yeah.
also in their companies, also in their personal life.
Yes.
So that's really, I love the mindset that you have. So interesting enough. I've come to the end of the meeting, end of the interview. So thank you so much. And I would really take the opportunity to thank you. And it's great to have you on board with us as the directors and ambassadors team. So looking forward to seeing you take the next step upward and seeing how that goes for you as well. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Looking forward. Thank you so much for having me.